Do you want to know how to buy Sol on BullX? Well, that's really easy and I will show you how to do that in just a few clicks. So head over first to your BullX. It's actually connected already into my Telegram wallet. Just head over to your wallet manager and then from in there you can see this. Make sure that Sol is actually selected in this one. If on some cases it is actually selected on yours, just click on this right here and choose in here Sol. Now, once you have done that, the next thing you need to do is just head over and then click onto this add funds option. Now, from in there, you can add funds and make sure that Sol is connected or chosen as well and click onto this wallet icon. Now, if you want to buy your own crypto, you can head over and then go right here to your BullX and then you can go right here to the explore option. Once you have done that, you can see all of this. So you can head over and then go to other provider and buy your Solana, but make it sent to your BullX as well.